Hey, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's our mentorship session this morning. This morning. Let me please share our links to our various platforms and let's get started. Yeah, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back again. Happy Friday, happy end of the week market session. Okay, as you're joining us, make sure you're smashing the like button, telling us your location and your name. Probably add end it with forever with growing and profit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Drop your location. Let's get started. Probably we're waiting for one or two people more to join us. Waiting for more people to join us so that we can get started. So while we are waiting for those people that wants to join us, if you are joining us, make sure you smash the like button. It is very, very compulsory. If you are here on this live session, smash the like button right now. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Drop your location. Yeah, my guy, what's up? What's up? My guy, my friend, my party, everything. How you doing now? Mr. Ismail Alali come from Lagos. About your side now. How you guys doing today? Are you doing? Are you doing today, man? Yeah, good morning, Ben Clark from Akwa Ibom. Sunday, Joseph, where are you joining us from? Make sure you guys are smashing that like button as you're joining us. It is very, very compulsory. So we can talk about our trade. We talk about our trade, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly speaking, I've been waiting to get a good setup from GBP JPY. But the first time I tried to get a good setup messed itself up here. I enter GBP JPY for a buy, boom, stop loss hit. So we have to wait. And I want this level to be taken out. Is somebody here with me? I've started already, so I want to be sure a lot of people are here with me already. Why are you asking me that kind of question? Ben Clark, where were you? Are you not in the mentorship channel, the signal channel? If you are not there, then I'm sorry, you missed the trade already. If you enter it at your own risk, have you entered the same trade right now? Why? The first place, are you not in the mentorship channel? The signal, premium signal channel, are you not there? That question goes to you, Ben Clark. But sometimes you guys use the name I don't usually recognize. It will be a different name here on YouTube. It will be a different name on Instagram. It will be a different name on Telegram. So sometimes I'm not sure. There are some people that I'm sure when I see, I know it's them. But some people use different names. So I've got to always make confirmations. But not in the mentorship channel. So get yourself an access to the mentorship channel, my brother. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I still say it and I'll continue to say it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me quickly talk about this. While we're waiting for people to join us, let me quickly talk about this. I say it and I'll keep saying it, guys. You see, in the whole of Forex industry, I don't know, maybe let me say in the world, because in Nigeria, in Africa, in the world, DAOM Empire might not yet have gotten to a stage where we're making like crazy hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars as a withdrawal, as a profit. Yeah, we're getting there. At least we are DAOM Empire. Like when I'm saying DAOM Empire, I'm talking about the brain behind DAOM Empire, which is myself. I'm speaking to you right now. We've been making thousands of dollars as profit, but not yet up to like $100,000 of dollars, like 6 figures. Okay, let me put it that way. DAOM Empire has not yet gotten, but it will soon get there. Not yet gotten to 6 figures profits, earning, withdrawals, and things like that. And 7 figures earnings, withdrawals, profits, things like that. We have not gotten there yet, but we are going to get there very soon. But that's by the way, it is a step-by-step process. It is not the day you born a child that the child started, walking. It's a step-by-step. We started just like yesterday, and we are here today. We're growing so fast. And another thing you need to now understand is that as far as we are going so fast, Juliet, well done, how you doing? As far as we are growing so fast, at the same time, we're meant to make some mistakes that is normal for somebody to make early. We're making our mistake, we're learning from our mistake, we're correcting our mistake, and we're growing again. And at the same time, the knowledge is one knowledge. Knowledge and experience. Experience will come over time. Knowledge you can acquire if you are serious and committed. The knowledge we have acquired and we are still acquiring. Experience is gathering as we are growing. Now, all of this, if I put together all I have put in place to actually acquire this knowledge, it is thousands of dollars, ladies and gentlemen. Like my first year of learning Forex, I remember all I spent in acquiring knowledge is over $2,000. That's my first year. So now, today, I can boldly tell you that we're growing so fast. And in the whole of the industry, I have not seen, and there won't be, any academy, maybe online or offline, but we are doing online, any academy that will have the kind of offer we are giving you, because it is absolutely like you are learning absolutely for free with DAOM Empire. And all what you are going to be learning here, if you go and buy another course, you just wish to buy it. Trust me, you just wish to buy another course, because everything I'm going to be teaching, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, it is what I have paid a lot of money for, that I've assimilated, that I've understand. That's what I'm teaching. You can only grow on it, and with free materials like baby pips, free materials, candlestick Bible, it's free materials. With candlestick Bible, you can know how to get your candlestick confirmation for your entry and things like that, or to know when to get out of trade. So all those ones is even available in the mentorship channel of DAOM Empire. Now, to have access to DAOM Empire, are you paying me? Are you paying DAOM Empire any money? No. The highest thing you could do is to fund your own self account, but with our recommended broker, of course, because we are creating an empire. So with this that we are doing right now, it has given us a lot of edge in our brokerage company. So when Aridoh is talking to XM right now, they want to listen because they know we have a lot of people that are trading through my influence. So with that, they are always giving us a listening here. Anything that they are doing that is not pleasing to our to us, we can quickly tell them to help us to correct it, and they will correct it. So this is part of the benefit of us using the same broker and following all the instructions. So but I still say it, in the world there's no any academy that's going to be giving you the kind of offer that DAOM Empire is going to give you, and that we are going to be here for as long as possible by God's grace. We're going to be here for as long as possible. That's just the reality I'm telling you this morning. Because number one, to have access to our mentorship, you only need to fund your own broker, which it's not possible for you to be a Forex trader without funding a broker and using a broker. So we're just pushing you to do what you have to do, but using our recommended link. That's the only requirement. And I probably posting on our social media platforms. Now that one is not even all the time. For how long have I requested for that now? No. So when I want to request for it now, I want people to just turn up for me. Okay. So now, that aside from that, now you now have access to that mentorship. You now have access to that signal. Yes, it's now not going to expire in 1 month. It's now not going to expire in 3 months. It's not going to expire in 6 months. It's not going to expire in 1 year. Come on, look at it. So now we're going to be in DAOM Empire with just an action you've taken and you being consistent, committed. You're going to be in DAOM Empire mentorship and signal channel for a lifetime. A lifetime. I have not seen anywhere they do it. I've bought courses. I have bought mentorships. What I'm offering in DAOM Empire, I have not seen anywhere they are offering such. Because you are not paying me, but I'm going to give you my time for mentorship session. I'm going to make sure I send all my materials to you. You're going to get busy with all my recordings, my teachings, and everything that you ever need to start growing properly in Forex. Yes, if you buy another course from anybody when you have access to DAOM Empire, trust me, you just want to do it. It's not really necessary because everything that you might ever need is what I'm providing for you guys in terms of knowledge. And guess what? I am still growing. I'm still learning more. I'm still buying courses. I'm still learning more. I'm still growing in knowledge. And guess what? As I am growing, as I'm assimilating, acquiring those knowledges, I am coming back to pour it back on you guys. Why? Because that is where I get my own blessings from. Like I feel fulfilled, I feel happy anytime I know something and I'm here, make myself available to come and actually impact it on you guys' life. Okay. And then my joy is to see that you guys just come up and be like, oh, thank you, I'm growing, I did this for myself, I analyze this market, I make this profit, myself and things like that. So this is my joy. This is the reason why I do what I do. Okay. So if I now have anybody today that is meant to be in DAOM Empire mentorship or premium signal channel and it's not there, trust me, you're not doing yourself good. Unless you don't know about DAOM Empire. But once you know about DAOM Empire, you have every right to be in our mentorship channel. That's all I'll say for now. So if you have any question on what I've said, you can let me know. Now I'm moving on to our chart. Welcome back to the chart, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, see the way our 4-hour candle closes. Our 4-hour candle just closed. Yeah, our entry is somewhere around here, and then the market did all of this since yesterday. Boom, breakout from these consolidations. After this breakout, bullish engulfing candle, we expect more bullish engulfing candle. Ladies and gentlemen, we expect more bullish. This trade we might still hold it till next week, but we'll keep holding because I believe strongly that GBP JPY is coming here. So until then, at least our first level target is going to be here, which I believe is going to actually break it, close above, confirmation, leave it, let your trade continue. Okay, so if you are in the mentorship channel, premium signal channel since yesterday, must have been inside of this trade, unless you just don't want to, because I call it life. Once I see that the trade is ready, I put it there. So now let's look at other pairs. That's one of those things we do all the time when we are live here. We look at all other pairs that I have on my watch list and see the ones that are available and see the ones that we are waiting for. If you have an opportunity on this live session, we'll call it. If we don't have, we'll tell you when it is ready. We'll drop it in the premium signal channel. Okay, so now let's start with gold has formed. This is 4 hours time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Gold will drop. This is 4 hours time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Gold has actually formed something like a double top. Can you see? 1, 2, like an M pattern. Breakout, retested. Look at it. It has come to retest again. Gold is going to drop, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, the safest way to do that, okay, I just said Gold is going to drop. One thing about gold is just that the pips is very, very crazy. The pips is very, very crazy. I don't know. This is how many pips now? It's like 100 pips. Okay. 0.01 with this trade, you are risking $10. You are risking $10. If this market gets here, you'll have made $18. I'm talking about 0.01. You'll have made $18. If this market gets here, you'll have made $40. So, ladies and gentlemen, I've just called a swing gold sell because I've seen an M pattern on a 4 hours time frame, breakout, retest, came back again. The best place to put our stop loss is where? This place. Okay, so I'm coming. I'm entering the position too because that's a trade opportunity I saw. I call 1954. Okay, so now let's back to the chart, ladies and gentlemen. I've just called out a live trade right now. Now there's no brainer in this. You can look at it. This is, if we go to a 1 hour time frame, you see what I'm talking about. You see, it's like an M pattern formed, neckline retested. It's actually trying to retest the neckline again. So, but whichever way, our stop loss is good somewhere around here, risking like 100 pips to cash like 400 pips. Okay, so which make a lot of sense. Okay, so let's hold on to that trade. This trade might play out till next week, hopefully. Okay, so we have news coming up today around what's the time the news is coming up? News is coming up around today, Friday. News is coming up around 3:45. Yeah, 3:45 Nigerian time. So the news is going to actually push it. We're going to remain optimistic. We have entered. Okay, so that's that. Any question? Yes, it's swing. I'm going to be in that trade probably till next week or so. It's a swing. Muslim online also is a swing on that gold. Okay, so let's move on to another pair. One thing I know for certainly sure is that once this market break below this major level, confirmento, like a 4-hour candle closes below, confirmento that this trade is ready to give us some crazy profit, ladies and gentlemen. So now let's move on to GBP USD. GBP USD, I am waiting patiently. You know, I said it when this market was in all of this. I said I want it to come here, then fly to the upside. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it did. Though it didn't touch properly, but at least it's okay, because if you look at this market, we wake up to this level. So it did. But I was in another trade, so I don't want to enter it again. And because it's not a swing, I didn't even really want to call it, because I don't know if it will still continue dropping down, and you know. So, but at least I'll be very, very confident when this market gets this major level, a minor level that I've been waiting for a long time. If it gets here, then I'll be waiting for the opportunity to actually either buy, waiting for a break above, or give us a pattern or a confirmation that I want to start selling to the downside. That's what we're going to be waiting for on GBP USD. On Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen, I just paused this trade right now. I don't know what the market is doing. Maybe it's trying to form a chart pattern or whatever, or it's coming back to retest this level before it starts going back up, or it wants to break back this level and start coming back down. I don't know what it wants to do. So because I don't know what it wants to do, I'm leaving it. That's why I've not been trading Euro USD, BTC USD, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see it break above this level, that's 8,000, before we know what's up. Now on GBP JPY, that's the trade we are on since yesterday. So we are in profit and will continue to grow in profit, ladies and gentlemen. If the USD, I don't have any business with it. Remember, until it gets here, I don't have any business with it for now. It's not even displaying any pattern that I might want to take advantage of. So now it's 100, ladies and gentlemen, almost getting to that level. So we hope it get there and then it give us another opportunity. We miss out on this trade, so painful, but nevertheless we move. CHF JPY, ladies and gentlemen, is also, you know, I call out this trade, but look at the way it stopped us out. It came back to just retest this minor level, and look at it. And now look at another thing it's doing right now. It's preparing for another massive move to the upside, because this look like a W pattern. 1, 2. This is the neckline here. I'm giving you what you should look out for. It might be ready today or next week. Look at it. So any 4-hour candle that closes above here will serve as a confirmation for this market to start driving to the upside. Simple. Do you get that? Any 4-hour candle closes above this line serve as a confirmation. Like we get the bullish engulfing candle close above this red line. It's a neckline. We serve as a confirmation for a buy. Who got that? Who got that? Do you get that? Did you get that? Do you get that? Who is here with me? Who is here with me? You better change your the resolution of your YouTube if it is not sharp, because it's very, very sharp from my own end, so that I can see what I'm talking about. Who got that? Who got what I just explained, the condition I explained on CHF JPY? Who got it? Got him. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Is it only her that got it? Is it only her that got it? Mr. Shaolu, do you get it? Juliet, do you get it? Those are the people that I'm sure they are in my private channel. Do you get it? Or are they not here again? Get enlightened, say you got it, okay. So keep your eye on 4-hour candle close around, I think it's 30 p.m. That 4-hour candle will close in Nigerian time from now. Okay. So if a 4-hour candle closes above, even if you don't have a live account, take it on your demo account, okay? Let me explain where you put your stop loss. Your stop loss will be, let me draw it down for you, long position. Let's say the candle closes above here. Here, if a candle closes above here like this, your stop loss is going to be underneath this recent low like this. This is like 62 pips. Then probably you can target this 100% retracement level, which is 1 to 6.1 risk to reward. So if you are risking, let's say if you are risking $100, you are going to be making $161. Okay, so this is going to be first level target, but overall target, ladies and gentlemen, let me look at it very well. Okay, this market is just creating another historical price. Wow. So how do we know the next level target? By using our Fibonacci from here to sorry, that's not to draw it. I'm going to draw it from, and yes, from swing high to swing low. You're killing me. You're saying I should draw it from here to here. It's for me to know. What's happened? Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, it's supposed to be from here like this to here. Okay. I just want to know where we are going up next. Okay, that's why I drew this one in the first place. That's true. So recent swing low to recent swing high. So it retraces, enter here, boom. This 100% retracement level, this extension level is here. Extension level is here. So how do we know? Just do something like this. Bring our trend line. Draw it. This is going to be our first level target. Can close some position here when the market got there, and then we leave the remaining to run up here. Okay, so now I can delete this Fibonacci. Okay, so now let's go to 4-hour time frame. So now you got it. So now if you're risking $100, you're going to be making close to $400 on this. That's just what the risk to reward ratio is saying. So if a candle can closes above here, it's going to serve as a confirmation candle. After that closes candle, you can just leave your trade, but don't move your stop loss, because this is a neckline broke. If a neckline is broken, a breakout happens, there's likely for a retest to still happen. So it might still come back to give a retest here. So don't quickly move your stop loss. So after that retest, then boom to the continuation level. So if the trade is going to actually obey all our terms and conditions, okay. So now US30, this market is now flying up. Don't mind me, ladies and gentlemen. I like to focus on few pairs, so I didn't really give it attention, but I will definitely give it attention. I want to give US30 an attention, and I want to win this pair. I've removed it from my watch list before. I brought it back because I feel like some people are making a lot of money from US30. So, and it's not obedient to me. I have to make it obedient to me. If I don't want to trade it, I know I don't want to trade, not because it doesn't feel obedient to me. No, I will master the way his act, his behavior. You know, different peers sometimes have their own behaviors. So I will have to master USDT behaviors and see how to take proper advantage of it. So that's why I just left it there. But you know, did you respect all my drawings? Let's look at it. Yeah, it respected my drawing. Can you see? You know, since when I've drawn this, started from here, it respected here. When it get to this major level, did it just break it? No, it consolidated for a while. I push it down before it finally do that breakout. And after I did that breakout, this line that I've drawn here too, it get there, it was consolidating. That means it was respecting this line. Cannot just pass through it like it's nothing. So it was respecting this line. Then after it finally break, retest, then continuation to the upside. So ladies and gentlemen, I will be very comfortable when I see it get to this level and it's still consolidating again, because it's a very key level. XPX 500, ladies and gentlemen, it has gotten to my level targets. Yes. So but if you look at this thing on weekly time frame, looking at it on weekly time frame, I'm still expecting it to still come up a little bit more. At least here, it's going to be a first level target, this is going to be second level target on SPS 500. So if you know how to get your entry, you can get your entry on probably 4 hours or 1 hour time frame, but I recommend you use 4 hours. Okay, I recommend you use 4 hours. So I need a candle to close above this level. Then the candle to close above this level. But you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm not going to leave it like this, because this is what my major level look like, but this is just like a level. Okay, so I change the color to red. Anytime I paint my levels red like this, you just know it's a level that I'm just looking at for, not a major level or minor level. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that level to be broken. If a 4 hour candle can close properly above this level, it's going to serve as a confirmation that this market is done consolidating and want to start flying to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, do we make some sense this morning? Ladies and gentlemen, do we make some sense? Our GBP is flying in profit. Our goal is here to start flying in profit. Okay, this one is yet to start flying in profit, so just hold on. That's why you have to risk reasonably. At least I told you, if you're using 0.01, you are risking $10. Okay, so now be patient with it. Okay, be patient with it. Now on this is flying to the upside. Yeah, keep flying, baby. Keep flying, keep flying, keep flying. Okay, so any question, ladies and gentlemen? I think we're done with our overview. I think we're done with our overview. If you have any question that I need to clear about, you should just let me know. And I don't think I'm looking into any other any new pair. Okay, I'm not looking into any new pair. Or do you want me to look at any new pair? It's not even need. All this one that we're looking at to, let's just wait for what we have to wait for. We now know what we are waiting for on GBP USD. We know what we are waiting for on. We know what we are waiting for on Euro USD. We know what we are waiting for on BTC, GBP, we are already in that. AUD, we know what we're waiting for. NAS, we know what we're waiting for. CHF, we know what we're waiting for. US30, we know what we are waiting for. The market has moved already, so I'm not interested unless I see a very clear pair. SPS 500, we know what we are waiting for. So basically, we are waiting for the ones that are going to be ready, soon. XPS 500 is going to be ready soon, in as much as it closes above here, it's ready. CHF in as much as it closes above here, it's ready. So those are the ones that are close to readiness, and GBP in as much as it got here, it will also be ready. Okay, no, not ready. We'll start observing what it wants to do. Okay, but the ones that are going to be ready anytime soon are CHF and SPX 500. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Any question? If you don't have any question, we can call it a beautiful and amazing day already. Beautiful day and amazing day. Thank you, Mr. Ismail. You too, you are always making sense, bro. Very good. I hope you get that analysis, the way I analyze, the way I look at that market. I hope you get it. So these are what the mentorship session is all about. When I look into the market, and then you'll be able to look at it. So when you look at the way I was looking at it, all I'm saying while looking at the market is going to actually give you a confidence. When you are looking at the market, okay, you know that, okay, when Mr. Diamond see this is what he said. When he see this is what he said we should wait for. So when you are in your own, when you are looking at the market on your own too, so you'll be able to have the same kind of feelings, you'll be able to have the same kind of thought process, and be like, okay, this is what is going to happen. That is what a mentorship is all about. Doing what I'm doing, you guys are looking at me, watching me the way I'm doing what I'm doing, for you to be able to know how to do the same and get the exact same result, just like my boss will say. You're welcome, Mr. Ben Clark. It's advisable you join us in the mentorship channel. Simple as ABC. Okay, so if that's all for today, then we can call it a day. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a good audience. Thank you for always coming up, always showing up. Make yourself available for knowledge. That's the joy of what I'm doing too. When I see that you guys are turning up, because you guys, that if I come here do all this, it's an added value to me. If I didn't do it, I can always go into the market myself, look at opportunity, and take it even while I'm still on the bed. I do that all the time. I've done that today. Look at the market even while I'm still awake on the bed. I'm yet awake. I'm still sleeping, but I just look at the market. What's this market doing? Okay. It's not yet ready. If it is ready, I'll just open my eyes very well. They'll be like, okay, where are we entering? Where are we? It's becoming a lifestyle anyway. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you. Okay, now for my people in the premium signal channel, what we say we want to teach each other. If you guys are going to be ready this weekend, we can fix a day in this. We can fix a time in this weekend so that I'll teach you guys. Yeah. So you guys should hit me up in my DM on Telegram.